How's it going, guys? SYG Tech is here. We have the DJI Mini 5 Pro, and in today's video we're gonna fly this beautiful drone. The sun is going down now, so this is gonna be fantastic scenery. So let's do that now. Let me see how I'm gonna launch that now. Maybe, yeah, that should be fine, I think. Let's see. Okay, let's check the settings quickly. So we have bypass, we have 80 meters, let's make it 90. Actually, let's make it 115. That should be fine. Okay, so we are recording now. And this is Croydon, as you can see. Oh, looks beautiful. Also, by the way, this is on an auto mode. Let me see if I'm composing properly. Maybe I'm gonna put the camera down. Also, I'm using the DJI Osmo. But look at that. Let's go forward. Look at that scenery. Looks beautiful. Let me take a photo here. Oh yeah, definitely need to take a photo. Let me stop the video. Let's switch to photo. Nice. Okay, let's try 2 times tele mode. Beautiful. Very nice. Okay, let's go back to video. Let's go to... Okay, let's record again. Let's go a little bit more higher. And let's go forward now. Let's see if I can take more pictures of Croydon. As you can see, that's Croydon at the moment. But let me know in the comments down below how is the video quality. Again, this is on an auto mode. I'm gonna play with exposure and promote maybe in a different video. And the time is 17:40. Let's go on that side. I'm gonna try again the tele mode again. Let's stop here. And let's try to take a photo. Let me stop the video. Let's go to the photo. Let's try 2 times. Look at that. That looks beautiful. That looks beautiful. Very nice. Okay, let's go back to video. That looks amazing. Let's go to 1 time and let's continue. Let's see if we can go a little bit more further down. looks beautiful, but do you see something different now? For some reason I have like some squares on the side. Uh-oh. Please don't. The signal is not great. Adjust the antennas. The antennas are fine. That's better. Okay, let's try again the 2 times telezoom. Let's record video. Beautiful. Beautiful. Let's try again the photo. Okay, let's do 2 times. Not bad, not bad. Not bad. But for some reason I need to adjust the antennas again. Let's go back to video mode. 1 time. Let's see if we can go a little bit more further down. But the footage looks very, very good. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think? The new 1-inch sensor I think is great. Let's stop here just for the second. Let's move the gimbal this way. Let's try the 2 times. Nice. Just I'm gonna take a video here, so let's see how the video is gonna look like. Also, we are kind of low in a battery. Let's take another photo. Nice. Takes a little bit time to take photo, but I think I'm in 50%, 50 megapixel mode. Let's move this way. Let's take another photo. Nice. Not bad, not bad. Let's go back to video. Okay, let's try to go this way. We still have battery. I'm not gonna push it because we don't want to lose it. Oh no, no, again. Adjust the antennas. Yeah. I don't see... We still have problems with the antennas. Yeah, weak signal. And just the antennas. Not bad. Okay, I think I should go back now. Yeah, let's go back.
Return to home.
The problem is that it's a congestion area and, you know, there's a lot of buildings. But it's beautiful, it's beautiful. This is in an auto mode, as you can see. This is the first kind of video at night. Let me see if I'm still... Yep. Recording with the nano. Okay, so the drone apparently is moving to a different path. Let me pull the gimbal down a little bit. So you can see again, this is on auto. "95 meters. We went 2 kilometers away, which I know the Mini 5 obviously is with the OcuSync 4 Plus. I need to do a range test. So, but this is gonna be a different video. But yeah, the Mini 5 Pro actually is a very good drone. The 50 megapixel 50 megapixel photo. We have the sensors, 1-inch sensor, the same sensor from the Air 3S. It's a great little drone. Yeah, we're moving very slowly for some reason. 21 kilometers. I think the wind doesn't help. But it's great, it's a great drone. Let me know in the comments down below if you already tried the Mini 5 Pro. Obviously, I'm gonna try the same location in a pitch dark. So the buildings around Croydon area, sometimes they're super beautiful. Obviously needs to be very like clear sky. And from far away, you think this is Las Vegas. Literally, you think it's Las Vegas if you don't know. I did the same video with a Mini 3 last year when I bought the Mini 3. But overall, yeah, I'm very happy with the Mini 5. Works very well. I think this year they did a very good job with this drone. But I don't know, for some reason we're moving very, very slowly. Very slowly. I don't know if the wind is other direction, maybe that's why. "23 kilometers, that's very slow. But look at that. Beautiful, beautiful area. Looks amazing. And the Mini 5, it's coming slowly, slowly. I should see it soon. In the sky. Is this nano still recording? Let's see. Yes, it is. I don't see it. Yeah, very, very slowly and takes quite a lot of battery. Here we go. It should come soon. Where is it? Wow, 20. Wow, that's strange. It stopped for. Now it's moving a little bit faster. For some reason, was going very slow. I don't know if it's the wind makes it slow, but there's no like a wind signals or wind. Yeah, I can see myself. Yeah, I can see it now. It's coming. Okay, that was very close because there's the birds. I'm gonna stop the return to cancel. Let me pull the camera a little bit high. Okay, here we go. So yeah, pretty cool. Yeah, pretty cool drone. So there we have it, guys. This was a kind of night flight-ish first flight with the drone. So let me know in the comments down below, what do you think? If you have any questions, guys, leave it in the comments down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.